1937, October 19th, 2024, right now marks 243 hours of progress on the global horror simulation. At the moment, the vision cones still have not been updated to work correctly, although another issue has been resolved. To more accurately see this issue, looking at the original vision cone code, there was an issue in which the spawned vision code would not be spawned properly at an offset, so it was assumed to spawn at a Y offset above the current object, though that code was used for all the other objects, and that being incorrect, it spawns them up a bit and to the left, or it should, though this object's position has been changed from what it originally was, though this entire issue has been resolved in the updated versions of the scripts, which are actually these disabled versions. Since this is actually this was a prefab of the original moving arrow, although that prefab was accidentally overwritten with newer version, so the older version has to be recreated. So that should go here. And to see the updated functionality, which was just previously shown in the game object, which uses a custom tile map system for game objects. So the vision cone is now perfectly aligned with the position of the it's perfectly centered, and this for up maybe should be brought down a bit, since it's one tile higher than it needs to be, whereas the others are to the right also seems to be over just a bit more, though that code can be adjusted. So the intention for the next hour, now that this issue has been resolved in a way, is to try and fix the vision cone detection of locked cells, which should be visible or not visible, or just determine which cells are not currently visible to the object, which is easier now that the cells are centered with the object. It's easier to deduce which ones shouldn't be currently visible. So these are obviously visible. These two here should be visible as well. Obviously this line right here is the only visible thing. These cells should also be visible, which again easier to tell now that everything is center aligned with the offset of the original object's starting position. And it's assumed that the object will always be in the center at a given time.